At Zest4, we are always looking at ways we can improve our portals based on partner feedback. Many of our partners have let us know that the Zest4 customer portal is becoming slower on certain screens as your base size increases. In order to improve the speed and stability, we have made some changes to the way the data is presented in the portal. The slowdown has been caused by the screens returning the data for all services on your account. We have changed this so that on accessing the relevant screen, you will be presented with a set of filters to allow you to choose subsets of data based on your requirements. You can still choose to return all services. This change will take place on the morning of Tuesday the 10th of August 2021 and will be available for all Zest4 resellers and Zest4 customers with more than 3,000 active services. On logging on to the Zest4 customer portal, you're presented with the invoice screen. You can still navigate to the different invoice months, and you can download invoice PDFs, LDRs, and CDRs. However, in the lower part of the screen, your services will not display automatically. You will need to select to show either the charges or the services related to the given invoice run. Selecting the charges overview will present the breakdown of the charges on the given invoice run. You can click on each line to give you a further breakdown. Use the arrows here to move back through the screens. The services breakdown gives a breakdown of each service with applicable charges for the selected invoice run. On this screen, you can search by mobile number or username, and then you can click to give a breakdown of the charges. The charges show here, and the calls will show on the bottom part of the screen. Because I'm showing the test site today, there are no call details to view, but as with the current functionality on your customer portal, you'll be able to search for, filter calls, and download into CSV. The Unbilled screen has been improved in a similar way. On entering the screen, you'll see that your services no longer load automatically. Instead, you're presented with filter options to allow you to return relevant services only. You can enter a list of mobile numbers separated with a comma, and search to show the details. Use clear filters to reset each time. You can look for your services with no current usage, search. You can show services with usage charges over a certain amount. And you can show services with data usage over a certain amount. Note this is in megabytes. You can also search for a combination of data, for example, usage charges over £1 and data usage over 100 meg. Search and clear filters to start again. You can also show all the services if required. Please note that there may be a small delay while the screen loads the data. You can still carry out all actions as per existing functionality, such as searching, filtering, and carrying out further actions using your icons here. As with Unbilled, the Alert Manager screen is now presented as a set of filter and search options. You can add a list of numbers here and search. You can select the network and search. You can select the alert type. And you can also select to see alerts that are either active or have triggered at any level. I'm using test data today, so we don't have any examples of triggered alerts, but you can see how easily you can just switch to one to the other, and you can also select to return multiple. You can also use a combination of filters, for example, O2 alerts that have hit their upper alert. Again, you can select to show all alerts. Be aware it could take a couple of minutes to load up depending on how many alerts you've got. The rest of the functionality in this screen remains unchanged. You can search, you can amend alerts, delete alerts, and access self-service. We are confident that you will see a big improvement in the performance of the Zest4 customer portal. We're always thinking of ways to improve our portals, and we'd love to hear your feedback about this change, as well as any suggestions for future improvements. Contact us on suggestions@zest4.com, and don't forget to check out the rest of our videos on the Zest4 YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.